In this video, how to cancel Tradingview subscription. I will show you step by step how to cancel a Tradingview subscription. First, go to the Tradingview website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or account icon. From the menu, click the option called Account Settings. Now, find the section called Billing. Click on Billing to view your subscription details. You will see the active plan currently linked to your account. Now, look for the option called Cancel Subscription. Click this option to begin the cancellation process. Tradingview may ask you to confirm the cancellation. Click Confirm to continue. After confirming, your subscription will be canceled. You will still have access to premium features until the current billing period ends. After that, your account will return to the free plan automatically. If you subscribed using mobile, you may need to cancel through App Store or Google Play. Open the App Store and go to the Subscriptions section. Find Tradingview and tap Cancel Subscription. This is how you can cancel your Tradingview subscription easily.